Today we're doing Math 6, Mission 2, Lesson 10, Comparing Situations by Examining Ratios. Okay, so we have this warm-up today. It says, May and Jada each ran on a treadmill. The treadmill display shows the distance in miles each person ran and the amount of time it took them in minutes and seconds. Here is May's treadmill display. Here is Jada's treadmill display. Okay, what is the same about their workouts? Well, I'm going to use our highlighter, and I'm going to highlight things in green that are the same. I notice that they are both on the same incline of 10. They both went the same distance of 3. Their pulse was the same. And their level was the same. Okay, so the same was incline, distance, pulse, and their level. So now we want to look at what is different about their workouts. Well, the time it took them to run was different. May was 24 minutes and Jada was 30 minutes. And also their pace was different. So different would be time and pace. All right, if each person ran at a constant speed the entire time, who was running faster? Explain your reasoning. Well, May ran 24 minutes. Yeah, 24. It took her 24 minutes to run 3 miles because that distance is 3, right? But for Jada, it took Jada 30 minutes to run 3 miles. Okay. So we need to get this down to 1 mile, both of them down to 1 mile, so that we can compare them. Well, 3 divided by 3 gets me 1, so 24 divided by 3 is 8 minutes. And 3 divided by 3 gets me 1, so 30 divided by 3 is 10 minutes. So which one ran faster, ran the 3 miles faster? That would be May. May ran faster because it only took her 8 minutes to go 1 mile, where Jada it took her 10 minutes. Now you can see that the 8 and these 10, those were our pace numbers. Those were our pace numbers. A pace shows per 1 mile or per one, whatever you're doing. All right, let's go to activity 1. Diego paid $47 for 3 tickets to a concert. Andre paid $141 for 9 tickets to a concert. Did they pay at the same rate? So basically, same rate is saying, are these ratios equivalent? Okay, this means equivalent ratios. Because if you notice, Diego only bought 3 tickets, but Andre bought 9 tickets. So we want to make sure, are they paying at the same rate? So Diego paid $47 for 3 tickets. And Andre paid $141 for 9 tickets. So if these two are the same, so this is Diego and this is Andre, then we can look and both numbers should multiply or divide by the same number to get the other ratio, if they're equivalent ratios. So I know 3 times 3 equals 9. So if they are equivalent, if they paid at the same rate, then Diego's money of $47 when multiplied by 3 should equal 141. Well, let's see. 47 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, and it's 141, and that's what Andre paid. So they are paying the same rate per ticket. Okay, let's go on to activity 2. Lynn and Noah each have their own recipe for making fruit punch. Lynn mixes, so this is Lynn, mixes 3 liters of orange juice with 4 liters of strawberry juice. Noah mixes 4 liters of orange juice with 5 liters of strawberry juice. How do the two mixtures compare in taste? Okay, so I'm going to set up a double number line here. Now, this double number line is going to be for Lynn. You cannot use the same double number line for both of our people. So you have to have a Lynn double number line, and you have to have a Noah double number line. Okay, so the first line for Lynn is going to be our orange juice. So we're going to write orange juice. And then our second one is going to be our strawberry juice. Okay, so if we had 0 orange juice, then we would have 0 strawberry juice. The next one is going to be what they gave us. So 3 and 4. So next we have 3 liters of orange juice and 4 liters of strawberry juice. Now, that's for one batch. Let's do 2 batches. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. How about 3 batches? 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. How about 4 batches? 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. We're going to stop there for right now. Let's jump to Noah. So for Noah, the first line is going to be orange juice, and the second line is going to be strawberry juice. And if Noah put in 0 cups of orange juice, he would put in 0 cups of strawberry juice. And for one batch, Noah mixes 4 liters of orange juice with 5 liters of strawberry juice. For 2 batches, he would do 8 liters of orange juice and 10 liters of strawberry juice. For 3 batches, he would do 12 of orange juice and 15 for strawberry juice. For 4, he would do 16 liters of orange juice and 20 liters of strawberry juice. So, how did the two mixtures compare in taste? Well, we need to find something that is the same on either the OJ line for both Lynn and Noah or the strawberry juice line for Lynn and Noah. So I see that we have a 12 in orange juice for Lynn and a 12 for orange juice in Noah. So now when we have 2 that are the same, one in Lynn's and one in Noah's, then we can compare. So when Lynn has 12 OJ, she has 16 strawberry juice. So this is Lynn. When Noah has 12 OJ, he has 15 strawberry juice. So what we can say is Lynn's fruit punch will taste more strawberry-y, right? She'll have a stronger strawberry taste than Noah because she has 1 liter more of strawberry juice in her mixture. So it says, how do the two mixtures compare in taste? Well, we just figured out. Lynn's fruit punch will taste more like strawberry than Noah's because she has 1 more liter of strawberry juice in her mixture than Noah. Okay. So it is important to understand that in order to compare things, one side must be the same to allow us to compare the other side. So for instance, here, Lynn and Noah, their orange juice is the same amount. Therefore, we can look at the strawberry juice and see what is different. Or they could be the same, and that means they're equivalent ratios and they taste exactly the same. But in this case, they're not the same. Lynn has more strawberry juice than Noah does. Okay, please review your lesson summary.